been going on for at least far back as 2012. Now, Facebook says it has no evidence so far anyone on the outside got those passwords. Brian Craig says 10,000 workers inside Facebook could see them. Biogen, the biotech, had its worst trading since 2005, tanking nearly 30% after Biogen ended late-stage trials for an Alzheimer's therapy. It found the trials were not likely to succeed. Look at this. Evaporated $18 billion out of its $63 billion market value. Vaporized, gone. The news did rock the biotech sector. It shook the world of Alzheimer's drugs, now questioning whether the buildup in the brain of plaque or beta amyloid has a role in the disease of Alzheimer's. The court saying that the NFL paid less than $10 million to football players Colin Kaepernick and Eric Reed to settle their grievance that football teams colluded to keep them off the field for leading protests during the national anthem over racial injustice. No word on how one of the two players will divide that settlement. Also, video gamers just taking cap on. There's a lot of money at stake. The billionaire creator of the blockbuster game Fortnite, his name is Tim Sweeney, he is now offering $100 million worth of grants for video game creators, filmmakers, and educators for projects and things to like developing 3D games, even films. Now the grants will range from $5,000 to $500,000. Sweeney says there will be no commercial ties from those creators to his company. Presidential hopeful